explore the fascinating mystery of why humans dream and what dreams might mean for our minds. Dreams are mysterious experiences that occur during sleep, combining memories, emotions, and imagination in strange and vivid ways. Let's start by understanding what dreams actually are. Dreams are mental experiences that occur during sleep, involving vivid images, thoughts, sensations, and emotions. While dreams are most vivid during REM sleep, they can actually occur during other sleep stages too. Here are the different stages of sleep. Dreams are most intense during REM sleep, which is the stage closest to wakefulness. The average person actually dreams 4 to 6 times every single night, though we often forget most of them. One major theory suggests dreams help us process and consolidate memories. According to this theory, dreams help transfer important information from daily experiences into long-term memory storage. During dreams, your brain actively sorts through the day's experiences, deciding what to keep and what to discard. Scientific studies have shown that REM sleep, when we dream most, significantly improves learning and memory retention. Another important theory focuses on how dreams help us process emotions. Dreams may act as a kind of overnight therapy, helping us process difficult emotions and reduce their intensity. Dreams allow us to safely confront and process fears, anxieties, and even traumatic experiences in a controlled mental environment. Research shows that people who dream about stressful events actually cope better with those events when awake. An evolutionary perspective suggests dreams prepare us for threats. This theory proposes that dreams simulate threatening situations, allowing our brains to practice responses to danger. Notice how dreams often involve threatening or challenging scenarios, like being chased, falling, or facing difficult problems. This allows us to practice emotional and behavioral responses to danger in a completely safe mental environment. Dreams may also help with creative thinking and problem solving. Dreams combine unrelated concepts in unusual ways, potentially leading to creative insights and solutions. During dreams, your brain makes unexpected connections between seemingly unrelated ideas and memories. Famous scientific discoveries have been attributed to dreams, including the structure of benzene and the design of the sewing machine. A more biological theory focuses on random brain activity during sleep. This theory suggests that dreams result from the brain trying to make sense of random neural signals during sleep. The brainstem sends random electrical signals to the cortex during REM sleep. Your cortex then tries to create a coherent story or narrative from these random neural activations. Understanding why we remember some dreams but forget others is fascinating. When you wake directly from REM sleep, you're more likely to remember dreams because the transition is immediate. The brain areas responsible for forming long-term memories are less active during sleep, making dream recall difficult. Waking up during or immediately after a REM period significantly increases your ability to remember dreams. Writing down dreams immediately upon waking helps transfer them from short-term to long-term memory before they fade. Let's summarize the main theories about why we dream. Dreams likely serve multiple important functions, rather than having just one single purpose. These functions include memory processing, emotional regulation, and threat simulation. Dreams also involve creative problem solving and may result from attempts to organize random brain activity. Despite decades of research, much mystery still remains about the true purpose and mechanisms of dreaming.